Ice cubes have been used for centuries as a natural remedy for a variety of ailments. But did you know that they can also work wonders for your skin? That's right. Ice cubes are not just for cooling down your drinks on a hot summer day. They can also be a powerful tool in your skincare routine. One of the main benefits of using ice cubes on your face is their ability to reduce inflammation and redness. Whether you suffer from acne, rosacea, or just have sensitive skin that tends to get irritated easily, applying ice cubes to your face can help to calm and soothe your skin. The cold temperature of the ice constricts blood vessels, which can help to reduce swelling and redness, making your skin look more even-toned and less puffy. In addition to reducing inflammation, ice cubes can also help to tighten and firm the skin. When you apply ice cubes to your face, the cold temperature causes the blood vessels to constrict, which can temporarily tighten the skin and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This can give your skin a more youthful and refreshed appearance, making it a great quick fix for special occasions when you want to look your best. Ice cubes can also help to reduce the size of your pores. When you apply ice cubes to your face, the cold temperature causes the pores to constrict, which can make them appear smaller and less noticeable. This can help to give your skin a smoother and more even texture, making your makeup go on more smoothly and giving you a more polished look. Another benefit of using ice cubes on your face is their ability to reduce oiliness. If you have oily skin, you know how frustrating it can be to constantly battle shine and breakouts. Applying ice cubes to your face can help to reduce the production of oil, making your skin look less greasy and more matte. This can help to prevent breakouts and keep your skin looking fresh and clean throughout the day. Ice cubes can also be a great way to refresh and rejuvenate your skin. If you've had a long day or a sleepless night, applying ice cubes to your face can help to wake up your skin and give you a healthy glow. The cold temperature can stimulate blood flow to the skin, which can help to brighten your complexion and give you a more radiant look. This can be especially helpful in the morning when you're trying to wake up and get ready for the day ahead. In addition to all of these benefits, using ice cubes on your face can also help to reduce puffiness and dark circles under your eyes. If you suffer from under-eye bags or puffiness, applying ice cubes to the area can help to constrict blood vessels and reduce swelling. This can help to make your eyes look more awake and alert, giving you a more refreshed and youthful appearance. So how exactly do you use ice cubes on your face? It's simple. Just wrap a few ice cubes in a clean cloth or paper towel and gently press them onto your skin. You can also rub the ice cubes in circular motions on your face for a more invigorating effect. Just be sure to avoid applying ice cubes directly to your skin for too long, as this can cause irritation or damage. It's best to limit your ice cube treatments to a few minutes at a time and to always follow up with a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. In conclusion, ice cubes can be a powerful tool in your skincare routine, offering a wide range of benefits for your skin. From reducing inflammation and redness to tightening and firming the skin, ice cubes can help to give you a more youthful and refreshed appearance. So the next time you're looking for a quick and easy way to improve your skin, reach for some ice cubes and give your face a refreshing treat.